Kheiñ Tribe Integrated Territorial Organization HITO Jowai Circle haki khendiat sngi baladam kalapen bana pajba Lyngba kilat pathai khubor bakalai kendo yo Deputy Commissioner Bathamai jangko West Jant Hills District u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS hak arpu pratare u jemmang arja arpusan ban pen kenma badan Haduh kumba sans pa and reportedly ki post Lyngba ke District Selection Committee DSC balaj hapo ke jella kat kum ke RTI House nam arja arpusau barba omdai tashis pa san puwei kumbakran u MLA ke Jowai uba wailat miki shla. Halor kini u Abhinav Singh Deputy Commissioner ke West Jant Hills District u bedairu Chairman ke DSC hak live poi tere u jemmang arja arpusan ula kentaj halor ke jingkam ke HITO begidon ki post balaj Haduh sans pa and reportedly. Dak bapin syai Haduh ka khandri tere u jemmang arja arpusan hak porbo MLA ke Jowai uba wailat miki shla ukran chakilat pathai kubor kidan shispa san poi teli ki kam ki balaj. Hadir ke depan hak arpaun retorek uni ubenahi u Deputy Commissioner ulakhat jingalang bat ki officer jong ki tenat beper balasham badang dan show ki post pateli kentop arpoi teli ki LDA prapulai teli ki grade 4 but grade 3 but borok ki post balaj Haduh menta bala Kheiñ lang but shispa san poi teli ki balapan banalupa ki dan borok kumbas arspa san pusan teli ki balaj hapok ke district Ulapen tipru bagi sapu kendai teli ki post LDA ladap bentung yaki lambat south li ke post boatman Shushu laang bagajing ong kaseng HITO badan palat sanspa ki pos balat de bagi Kheiñ lang ye ki master role haki tena trekam baper kum ki warden ki pharmacist but Kiwei ki jat kam ki bam de show hapo gajing pet jong DSC Hindrei ki yat Lyngba ka promotion MPSC but Kiwei.
This is the Deputy Commissioner of West Jant Hills. I am giving this public clarification or advisory as a chairman of the District Selection Committee for West Jant Hills. Recently, there has been some information which has been doing rounds in the media, which is with regard to the vacancies that are available in the DSC. As per one of the groups, it has been cited that the number of vacancies is more than 500. I want to issue the clarification that the vacancies that they have cited is an inflated one. How? As there are around 106 out of so-called 560 vacancies which are tagged as JDA, officer, UDA and teaching staff, which are clearly outside the purview of the DSC. We had a meeting with our Honorable MLA on 19th of May, wherein at that point of time the vacancies that were given to us by the various departments was total 151. Following which a meeting was convened with all the departmental heads, wherein they were asked to bring the vacancies list as well as the roster on 26th of May, wherein we got an additional 21 LDA post and 83 grade 4 post and grade 3 post. Thus the total vacancies that are to be filled up by the DSC as of today, which has been submitted, is 255. Cite again, on addition to that, 49 LDA posts and 4 boatmen have been recently appointed. An interview of 16 posts, which includes 11 for sericulture demonstrator, 4 for Gram Sevak and 1 for Gram Sevika, will be undertaken in coming next 2 weeks. Also, the inflated post which has been given to this, the organization, it actually also includes the muster rules from various departments, which include like other warden, pharmacists, vacancies that are outside the purview of the DSC. So with regard to this, the appointment which we'll be doing, we'll ensure that the entire process for recruitment gets completed for the entire set of vacancies, maximum by September or November for this year itself. I would also like to urge to all the media houses, rather strongly urge, that before publishing any information, they should get a clarification from the concerned authority, in this particular case from the chairman of the DSC. Thank you, because it unnecessarily creates otherwise panic in the public. After the rectification was done by the entire DSC, we came up that yes, these are the number of vacancies which fall within the purview of the DSC and these are the vacancies which fall outside the purview of the DSC. Before we could issue the clarification, it went viral in the media. So that's the reason why I'm giving the actual information that yes, these are the vacancies which are within the DSC for the knowledge of the general public. When we asked the department to submit the list of vacancies, it was an old data, right? On 26, when the meeting was convened with all the department heads, the additional LDA posts, grade 3, grade 4 posts were apprised to us, which we have added down, and total 250 plus is the number of vacancy as of date today, for which we are going to give out the advertisement. The entire schedule is being prepared and it will be shared maximum by tomorrow in the press, so everyone can start their preparation. And as I am reiterating it again, by maximum September or November, the entire vacancy for the DSC will be filled up.
Habatin, page bahagi ki shop, ka shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus f ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai khandiat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.